Hi everybody, good morning, it's Esme. I'm working from home today, so I wanted to go live, show you guys what kind of smoothie I'm having this morning for my breakfast. So, I use just a bullet. I'm gonna fill this up. I'm gonna start with some kale. Decent amount in there, kind of crunch it down. Maybe a little more. Smoothies are such a good way to get in raw vegetables without really tasting them. So if you are one of those that doesn't really like vegetables, this is the way. Spinach, kale, broccoli, anything in a smoothie, the fruit covers it up. Alrighty, let's see here. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. I've got some strawberries. These are from, actually all the berries that I've got are from my grandparents' plants. So they're fully organic, most definitely. Now I'm adding some black raspberries, sorry, not blackberries, black raspberries. And then I've got some red raspberries too. So it's kind of a berry flavored smoothie. Awesome. It looks really full, but with the kale in there, when it all blends up, it doesn't take up much room. So you can kind of pack it full. And then I'm just gonna use some frozen bananas to add a little bit of sweetness. Awesome. Okay, so this is my whole smoothie. Can you guys see that? Bring it to the light a little bit more. We've got bananas, strawberry, kale, black raspberries, and red raspberries. Then for the liquid, I'm using macadamia nut milk. Give it a good shake. Pour it in there to the top. If you're looking for a really good dairy milk alternative to put in your coffee, macadamia is the one. Awesome. Might get a little bit loud for you guys. Mute it if you need to. Perfect. Once it's a little bit blended, you okay, Leroy? Want to say good morning to everyone? Yeah, buddy. Leroy wanted to say hi. Oh, he wants to go outside, really. Okay, buddy. You ready to go down? Thank you. Once it blends a little bit, kind of stick it all down so that the air that's all in between the kale can get out of there. Perfect. Then I'm also going to add, it's whole food fiber. It's a powder from Standard Process. Just a little tablespoon in there. Doesn't necessarily have to be exact if you're used to the fiber. Perfect. A little bit more liquid. I'm gonna do this over the sink. And then shake it up like this so everything is mixed. Then we blend again. If you haven't noticed, I'm kind of a messy smoothie maker. While this is going, I always clean everything up, so that's what I'm gonna do. yeah, that's blending really nice. Keep it going. I really like mine blended really well. If you like yours chunky, you know, little chunks of berries, little chunks of bananas, just blend it for a little bit less time. You can always kind of tell how smooth it is by the sound. Looking good to me. Before I drink that, I'm gonna take my probiotics. I take Nutridyne's Ultrabiotic Integrity. I do switch up which probiotic I take every month or every time I buy a new bottle. Just so your stomach bacteria and microbiome in there gets a little bit of a switch up. Alrighty. See how this guy turned out. Oh, perfect. Alrighty, you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Steph and Dr. Jen might be on live later around 10:30. Make sure you tune in then. And also remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just search us. It's RHC Team. We've got a lot of stuff on there. Alrighty, everybody. Have a great day. Thanks for tuning in.